Freelancing is one of the most talked about topics for young people in the world. You can build your future career in freelancing at the end of your studies or with your studies. So, what is freelancing? Freelancing is a huge multi-billion-dollar market. Freelancing is the freedom to do whatever you want outside of the job. With the advent of the internet, you can now easily make your debut as a freelancer. You can successfully build yourself as a freelancer in any one or more areas of programming, graphics design, website, games, 3D animation, project management, software bug testing, data entry. But first you have to prepare yourself with a little patience and a few things in mind. There are many popular websites on the internet that offer freelancing services called freelance marketplace. You can get started by registering at any one of these. Those who submit jobs on these websites are called buyers or clients, and those who complete these tasks are called freelancers or service providers. A few popular freelancing websites. Upwork. Upwork matches organizations with freelancers who are looking to work on more complex and potentially larger projects. Available work includes both long-term and short-term contracts and has an easy communication platform. It covers everything from software development to creative design, sales and marketing and admin. People per hour. People per hour is used by nearly 1 million businesses and 2.4 million freelancers across the world. It connects companies to an international community of freelancers, and any work completed is reviewed and rated. They have a useful project writing tool and cover a wide range of categories. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com can be a godsend for small and medium-sized businesses who need access to expert talent and experience. Freelancers can bid for the work that is available for them and be paid securely and on time. The live chat function also helps to keep freelancers and their clients better connected. Fiverr. Fiverr allows freelancers to showcase their finished projects so that they can grab the attention of potential clients across the globe. They also provide free learning courses to develop freelancers' skills on things like how to pitch to clients. Toptal. Toptal is designed to help companies find the top tier, 3%, of world-class freelancers, including developers, designers, financial experts and product managers. Freelancers have to go through a rigorous screening process to be accepted onto the site, but the projects available to win can be extremely lucrative. Guru. The Guru platform connects companies with expert freelancers from around the world. It has a flexible and cost-effective system and is used by more than 3 million people. It is trusted by organizations as it is constantly verifying its freelancers and regularly publishes their feedback scores. How to earn money freelancing, even if you're a total beginner. Choose a place. If you're new to freelancing, you might feel ready to take any paid work you can get your hands on. But as you get deeper into your freelancing career, you'll need to start being more strategic about the types of work you do and the clients you take on. You might be thinking, how can getting picky about the freelance work I do help me make more money? Because when you specialize, you become an expert in a specific field, and experts can charge more for their specialized services. If you choose the right place, deciding to specialize and putting some effort into branding yourself as an expert within your niche can really pay off for years to come. Get clear on your service offerings. One major decision you need to make early on in your freelance career is what you do and what you don't do. The more specific you can be about what services you offer, the better. Not only will it help you brand yourself, it'll allow you to control how potential clients perceive you and give you the opportunity to continue building your portfolio in the direction you want to move in. Define what your ideal client looks like. Before you can go out and start looking for clients, you'll need to develop a clear picture of who you're going to work best with. Do you want to build websites for small business owners, pitch in on new feature development for high-growth technology startups, or take on longer-term contracts with enterprise-sized companies? Making these clear distinctions between who and what type of business you're targeting will be essential to effectively pitching your services. Create a high-quality portfolio site. It goes without saying that one of the best ways to demonstrate your technical skills is by having an amazing portfolio site of your own. If you want to be taken seriously as a new freelancer, you're going to need a website that showcases your expertise, highlights relevant past experiences, shows who you are, includes your contact information so that potential clients can easily find you. Level up your skills. The best way to justify higher rates: make sure you have impressive skills that are in high demand. Practice using your new skills by building the types of projects that you want to eventually be paid to work on. Whether that's WordPress websites, mobile apps, or something else entirely, the more you can differentiate yourself among a sea of competition with cool side projects and examples that will attract potential customers, the better. Build your credibility. There are many ways to build your credibility within your industry. Aside from creating high-quality blog content and collaborating with notable influencers in your industry, you can write an ebook, create an online course, and line up speaking engagements to start increasing your visibility within your place. Determine your pricing. While deciding how much to charge for your freelance services is a major step toward determining your perceived value, you need to make sure you're charging enough to make a sustainable, comfortable living. Most clients won't hesitate to pay higher rates for a freelancer that gives them an incredible first impression and sells them on the ability to deliver high-quality results. If this video gets 10k likes, then I will upload a surprise video, and subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon. Share this video and stay connected.